Hello card makers, I am Trisha Morris at Club Scrap, and I'm here to share with you the fun cards we're going to make together with this month's Round and Round Card Kit Workshop. Before we peek at those awesome cards, let's see what comes in the box. We're starting out with two really cool, modern looking contemporary prints in some nice neutral cool tones, and you'll have two sheets of this print, and these are on a text weight paper to prevent our cards from getting too heavy because of all the layering we get to do. Now to complement the print, I've got two 8.5 by 11 ivory, two dusty blue, two 12 by 12 sky blue, two manila, and then two gold. And these are all a heavyweight cardstock. Now to help you finish the outside and inside of a dozen cards, I'm including two sheets of carefully mapped out cut aparts. Once all of these sentiments are trimmed from the sheet, you'll have everything you need. I'll also show you how to incorporate the 3 shades of coordinating ribbon we're including in the box, these 4 sweet golden circles, 4 mini paper clips, and I've got 4 rounded edge craft tags and a set of 12 envelopes for each of the 3 sizes we'll make together. Now, if you're worried about figuring out how to pull all this together, have no fear, we've got you covered. Every Club Scrap card kit comes with printable instructions. You can download and print this at home or just work from a screen, and every single cut you'll want to make from this paper, plus images of all the finished cards are right in here, and even better, I've got you covered with a video workshop. So if you don't like to read instructions, not a problem. Just follow along with me and we'll make these cards together. Now our first set of 4 cards is a single fold card. We've got a set of 4 squares kind of creating that contemporary modern look, and then we're featuring that round circle embellishment added to the square with that cotton twill included right in the box. Next, we'll make a set of 4 gate folded cards. These have a wide flap and a narrow flap. Everything's going to be decorated and ready to go. Our final set of 4 cards is just a nice, simple 5 by 7. And again, every cut needed and every piece of paper required to create all 12 of these cards, we're gonna make that and prepare it together. It's gonna be so much fun. And when you're done, you're gonna have those birthday cards, thank you cards, sympathy cards, everything you need on hand, so at the drop of a hat, you can put one in the mail to someone you care about. I hope you'll pick up this Round and Round card kit today. Join me for the workshop. We're gonna have a lot of fun learning together. I'll see you there.